Good morning, I'm Kofi Mensah and this is chale.news. It's Sunday, August 24th, and we have a full plate today. Martin Amidu is sounding the alarm on the AKSA bribery case, warning Ghana will bury the evidence. 2,000 people are homeless along the Cape Coast Highway with almost nothing to show for it. Plus a young Ghanaian footballer making moves in France. Let's get into it. Ghana's first special prosecutor, Martin Amidu, is back. And he is not quiet. In a written intervention, Amidu says any local investigation into the AKSA bribery case will end the same way it always does. Evidence suppressed, nobody prosecuted. This matters because a US federal court already convicted Goldman Sachs banker Asante Kwaku Berko on August 6th. The conviction happened in America. Amidu's warning is about what happens or doesn't here at home. He names Mahama-era officials and is calling on the current government to act. Full breakdown on chale.news. Over 2,000 people are now homeless along the Cape Coast, Takoradi Highway. Their homes were demolished for the Big Push Road project, and in return, they received 5,000 5,000 per room. That figure won't cover a bag of cement, let alone rebuild a life. No resettlement support, nothing. These are the human costs we don't talk about enough when we celebrate big infrastructure announcements. At Bolga Girls Senior High School, 2 security guards are implicated in the alleged sexual assault of a 14-year-old girl with special needs. National mental health bodies, MEH-SOG, and the National Mental Health Alliance are demanding an immediate CID investigation. As of publication, no statement from the school, GES, or police. The silence is its own kind of scandal. Here's an uncomfortable one about Mahama's 24-hour economy policy. Turns out the 24-hour economy authority has zero jurisdiction over the 24-hour markets. Those fall under the local government ministry. Presidential advisor Augustus Gusitano confirmed this on Friday, and no ministry has yet said who actually monitors the markets. A flagship policy with no clear owner. Trade Minister Elizabeth Ofosu-Adjare wants Ghanaians to invest in cannabis, and she's calling it a Christian endeavor tied to medicine and healing. Under Ghana's cannabis regulatory program, only low-THC cannabis for medicinal and industrial use is legal. Recreational cultivation stays illegal. The framing is bold, the policy is real, and the conversation it's starting is even bigger. If you're in Accra today, brace yourself. ECG is cutting power to 38 communities from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Gridco is separately offline from 3 a.m. to 6 p.m. for emergency repairs at Ashaiman. 2 agencies, same Sunday, some neighborhoods dark all day. No coordination in sight. Ghana's GNS Achimota departed Sekondi on Friday for Operation Anuanze, an ECOWAS anti-piracy exercise in the Gulf of Guinea. Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire, and Liberia's Coast Guard will patrol Liberian waters through August 27th, targeting piracy, illegal fishing, and smuggling. A quiet but important signal of regional maritime cooperation. GES has a direct message for promoted teachers. Ignore anyone asking for extra paperwork before your salary adjustments kick in. Promotions automatically trigger correct pay placement. No application letters needed. GES is now investigating which regions and districts have been making these irregular demands. Full story on chale.news. At Ejisu Junction Friday, a man accused of trying to hijack a taxi reversed the car into roadside shops while fleeing an angry mob, then hid inside a mobile money container until police arrived. Officers intervened before a lynching. He's now in custody. Wild scene. Good news to end on. 20-year-old David Oduro, Accra Lions graduate, has signed a 2-year professional deal with French Ligue 2 side FC Annecy, leaving FC Barcelona's reserve setup after 2 seasons, just in time for Ghana's AFCON 2027 qualifying campaign. The pipeline is real. That's your Sunday morning. Chale. Every story has more depth at chale.news. Go read, share what matters, and we'll keep watching. I'm Kofi Mensah. Stay informed.